Hey, welcome back to my channel, and this is LT Primatron. Today we're doing another quick hits video, and I wanted to show you a couple of small models that I did before I worked on my Battleship Scharnhorst kit. And we'll pan over here, and boom. This is the two submarines that I completed before working on the Battleship Scharnhorst. I've these two models here, World War II 1/700 scale USS Gato, sorry, submarine from World War II, 1944, and a modern Typhoon class Russian submarine from the Russian or Soviet Navy. Uh, one of the best things about doing these two models is the pleasant surprise on how easy they were to assemble. For each, it took me roughly an hour, mostly up to an hour for both subs. Um, I went with 1/700 scale because I have limited space and I want to utilize as much space as possible. So that's why I went with 1/700. And yeah, as you could tell, they turned out pretty nice. Out of the two, I think I did the best job on the Typhoon, the red and black submarine, of course. And I wanted to do 1/700 scale to kind of do a size comparison as well. Let me take these off here. Let me take it off here. Put that one there. Put this one here. So, 1/700 scale. I went and bought these from Amazon. They were really cheap. They were about 10 to 15 bucks. Not that bad. I think the little submarine here was about $8. And what's really nice about these two subs is they were very easy to assemble. It's just like putting together two cylindrical shaped subs. Since they can't have too much going on, for water dynamics or hydrodynamics, they had to go underwater efficiently. So comparing the size, this submarine here is roughly about, I say about 10 inches. And let me make sure, let me eyeball that. And the USS Gato was about, I'd say about 5 inches, 5 or so inches. So, yeah, again, uh, what I like about these two is that they fit together very nicely. The fittings were very accurate, so I didn't have to do too many sanding and all that. One of my favorite parts of this smaller sub is painting the gold. If I can get it to focus. 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 There we go. Painting the propellers. The Gato itself, one of my favorite submarine classes, U.S. subs, campaigned in the Pacific Theater against Japanese merchant shipping and the Japanese Navy. The subs were much larger than the German Type 7 submarines. Also, one of the subs responsible for getting me into naval history, all thanks to a video game on the Nintendo system called Silent Service. I played that game to death as a kid. Same history here with the Typhoon class submarine. And the most famous example of this sub depicted on film was The Hunt for Red October. I watched that movie to death too. It had me interested in submarine warfare. The Red October was heavily featured in that Jack Ryan movie starring Alec Baldwin and Sean Connery and Scott Glenn and Fred Thompson. He was a congressman. And I like how sleek these Russian submarine was. Fun fact about the Typhoon class: it does actually exist in real life, and it is still regarded as the largest submarine ever built in modern history. Also larger than any submarine fielded during World War II. So yeah, largest ever built submarine in the world at the moment, for now. The Typhoon class is now being replaced by the Bore class submarines. A lot of these submarines here are in reserve. They're in pretty bad shape, maintenance wise as well. There's only one or two that are active right now in the world. There's like, I think, 4 or 5 total built, and 2 of them are active, and the rest are either being upgraded or in reserve fleet. I mean, the Russian government right now isn't as financially backed as it used to be. Not like during the Cold War era. So, because they're busy investing money into newer submarine classes or ship classes. And I think they find it more expensive to maintain these older subs. And yeah, but these are the 2 odds and ends that I worked on. And yeah, I hope you found this a little interesting. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.